Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the eyedropper tool in PowerPoint to match any color on your screen. It's a super handy trick to make your slides look more polished and consistent. First, click on the shape, text, or icon that you want to recolor. It's important to select it first so PowerPoint knows where to apply your new color. Next, go to the toolbar at the top. Depending on what you selected, choose either Shape Fill, in Text Fill, or Outline. You'll find these options under the Home tab or the Shape Format tab. Click the drop-down arrow next to your color option, and from the menu that appears, select the eyedropper. This tool lets you match any color you see on your screen. Now, your cursor turns into a small eyedropper. Move it over any color you want to match. This can be on your slide, in another window, or anywhere else on your screen. When you hover, you'll see a live color preview. When you find the perfect color, just click once. PowerPoint instantly applies that exact shade to your selected object. And that's it. You've just used the eyedropper tool in PowerPoint to match any color perfectly. It's a simple feature that can make your slides look sleek, unified, and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.